Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have Power Query, Power Pivot, and modern dynamic arrays enabled. This matters because later steps depend on those tools. Once done, convert raw ranges to tables and apply meaningful table names so formulas reference stable objects. Then enable the Developer tab and required add-ins. Make sure macros are allowed only for trusted files. This brief prep avoids rework and lets you move straight into importing, transforming, and modeling without permission or compatibility surprises. You'll now transform data. Load each table to Power Query, perform merges, unpivot where needed, and remove duplicates. These steps standardize structure for modeling. Once the queries are solid, load to the data model and create relationships using surrogate keys. This prevents circular references. Then decide calculated columns versus measures and write DAX measures like calculate, sumx, and filter for aggregation logic. Make sure to test measures on a small subset so you can iterate quickly without recalculating the full model each time. You finish by creating pivot tables or pivot charts directly from the model and set slicers and timelines for interactive filtering. Arrange visuals for clarity and performance. Once done, optimize performance. Turn off auto calculations during batch refreshes and consider 64-bit Excel for large datasets. Finally, save a version backup and document key measures. If things go wrong, focus on one troubleshooting tip. Inspect Power Query steps, relationship cardinality, and DAX filter context. Fix those and most errors resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.